This question, the type of isomerism shown by the complex, this is the type of complex it's also a previous year question, it's always asking your exams. So this is here 3 into partition number is 0, number is 6, and this compound is octahedral, as you can see from this here. Therefore, the option type of isomerism is geometrical isomerism because they have form transforms and cis form, which is a geometrical isomerism is formed. So the answer is very simple. Otherwise, linkage, ionization, coordination not possible because they're forming a structure as you can see here. This is the lone pairs. This type of question is come from NCERT many a time. This is NCERT question. NCERT questions. If you have to learn NCERT, then you can face this case of question every time. NEET is very much easier if you know NCERT. So this is the COCL, coordinate number is CO6, and this compound is octahedral. So this forming the two form trans and cis, and this is geometrical as is form optically active or inactive two forms. So